In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer your Dream League data from your phone to a different phone. It's very much simple and easy. So launch your Dream League like this, and let me show you guys how to do this. So after launching your app here, move to your settings. Good. On here, you move to your advanced. So at the advanced, you're going to see under the profile, manage devices. Tap on that. Good. So you can see here, they're telling you can link your profile to up to 5 different mobile phones, but then make sure you trust the mobile phone you are linking your profile to. So here I just need to generate a code like I'm adding a friend. Good. So this is the code BKO blah blah blah. So now on the other phone you want to link this Dream League to, come here, or you want to transfer your Dream League data to, open the Dream League and move to your settings and advanced and come here. Now paste the code here and then you link it. Tap on the link to link it. It's not going to verify. So let me cancel it. So after linking it, you are going to get your exact team on that mobile phone. So you can do that for 5 different devices. After that, you cannot link your Dream League to another mobile phone again.